Hi, my name is Oscar Urel and I'm the Regional Ambassador for DLR in Cruinniú. I think a day like Cruinniú is so important for people. I've learned so much more about creativity, different instruments. I'm learning how to use microphones in there.
Look over there!
We're in Cruinniú in Shankill, Shanganna Park.
So when I got to do the Irish dancing in the tent, also when the instruments came in and you got to listen to some of the tunes.
Last year when I did a circus workshop and I found a new passion, stilt walking.
I'd really recommend people take part in Cruinniú. I've found it so much fun today and I'm really happy about it. It's all free and it's really enjoyable.
Because we're going to make our own mystical monster. And we're going to combine a deer, a bear,
What I think about when I draw my character, in your character's story, do your character have a family?
I think it's really great to get you out of the house, to learn new things and to express yourself in different ways.